Hello and welcome to Getting Started with BuildProjex. In this video we're going to show you how the timesheet functionality works for both paid users and free users, along with the timesheet administration area for back office use. From your homepage, navigate to Timesheet in the left-hand menu. From here, you'll be able to choose the options of entering it manually or using a start-stop timesheet check-in. Using one of the orange buttons for new entry, click on it, choose the project to which this timesheet is going to be assigned. So for here, I'm going to choose this one. You can choose the start date and the time and a finish date. Using the slider, you can keep this for a single date or to cover multiple dates. In the description, you would choose what this timesheet is related to. This might be a specific task, it might be a meeting or a lunch. That's for you to decide. The location button, by using this on your mobile or tablet, you can choose to enable location services so that this can be tracked through the tablet or mobile device's location, or it could be entered manually. To use the start-stop clock, simply choose the project first and the start button will be enabled. Click the green start button and the timesheet will start processing. You can now add a description for this timesheet, which will then be added onto the list below once the stop button has been clicked. For date range, you can choose to view all the timesheets available within this day, week, or any custom variation that you would like. You can also view all your timesheets either in a list view or in a calendar view. Using the three dots for more options, you can choose to view an individual timesheet, edit it, or delete it completely. Using the settings cog in the top right, you can choose what you would like to see within your list. So you may choose to enable finish date time. That now appears within the list. You can either do this across multiple projects, or you might want to go into an individual project itself, navigating to the orange menu where you have the time icon. You can follow the same process again. This is for if you were to use the timesheet yourself, or if you were to use this for subcontractors. Navigating to Timesheet Admin, you have three options. Let's look at Summary first. Here, you can see everyone within your projects who have submitted a timesheet, the date and the length of time. You can view this over a month, week, or a work week, or you can adjust this manually using the calendar features here. You can view them in a table format with the total durations, or you have the timesheet summaries here as a bar chart. Navigating now to Entries. Here you have all the individual entries of all the timesheets that have been entered, along with their approval status and map locations. Here you can filter this by date range. You can choose to sort by filters, i.e. a specific project that you're working on. Certain users who have submitted timesheets. This is quite useful for approvals. Approval status, so if you would like to look at the ones who have not been approved so far, you click the orange Apply button, and that will now show you all the timesheets that have not been approved. You can then choose to export these timesheets to either an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF document. And you can also, within here, actually approve any of your individual timesheets for any of your subcontractors or anyone else on site. Here, simple click, tick, and the orange button for mark as approved. This is helpful for looking at payments for these people. Again, using the settings icon, you can choose which items you would like to see within your table, and the three dots you can either mark as approved, edit, view, or delete. For some reports around your timesheet admin, navigate to the Reports section. Here you can build up some more detailed reports around your timesheets historically, either by users, date, users and projects, projects and dates. You can filter these by months. You can again add additional features for users, approval status or entry type, be it the clock in or manual entry. Generate your totals, either as subtotals or grand totals, as you can see down here, where for this particular group of users, there were 72 hours logged on site. Again, with the reports, you can export these out to either an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF document.